The things that we did in this home that helped towards the quick sale: painting it white helps make the space look a lot brighter, cleaner, and bigger than it really is. Tip number 2 is lighting. Lighting actually upgrades an area and makes everything feel a lot bigger and brighter. And the tip number 3 I have is changing out the flooring. So if there's old carpet, give it new carpet or even smooth flooring. Oh, I forgot one more tip is actually updating hardware. Small little changes like that really makes a room feel finished. So that's all I have. Suzanne, what tips do you have on helping sellers get the best ROI?
Well, the first thing is it should be vacant, available to show anytime, and you've got to price it right. That's the key. And then, of course, doing the renovations, like you said, and to have it fully staged, because an empty home, even if it's been renovated, we had an early offer. The one that we wound up accepting after the whole process of being staged was another $125,000 more.
The goal is to make this home feel like a magazine.
Right, exactly. Yeah, so people it's aspirational. It's like, this is what I want my home to look like. Most people don't live like this, but they can aspire to do that.